We are here today with Ben Murray. Ben, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me back.
For some reason, I feel like you should have like a little like squiggly thing on your forehead today because we're going to be talking about something that's very Harry Potter-esque. Something like I remember watching the Harry Potter movies and probably more than I should have. And they would have like these images of like the pictures on the wall of people, like the moving images and all that stuff that was kind of fancy and neat that seemed like it was all magic. But now, from what I've seen with your new app that you have coming out, it's actually not magic. It's something that we can actually do with technology. So I'm gonna read off the headline that you have for your software coming out here, and we're gonna jump right in here. It says, AI creates 3D interactive augmented reality video marketing materials that explode sales, transform boring marketing materials into Harry Potter-esque augmented reality ones that, and this is the most important part, that don't require apps or gear like those like virtual reality headsets to interact with. So what's this all about and why should we be excited?
So in a world where attention spans are now under 2 seconds, if your marketing sort of looks like everyone else's, it's like almost impossible to get ahead now, even if you have some cool AI tools. So what we've created is something where you can leverage a new type of AI to turn the sort of like boring marketing materials like everyone else has into these magic 3D augmented reality ones, like you said, look like something out of Harry Potter as soon as you see them. And these 3D augmented reality experiences, they work for any business. For example, on web pages or business cards, you can have like an augmented reality business card, an augmented reality flyer, put these on lead pages, and they will drastically, what we've been seeing, increase clicks, leads, and sales. Basically, what you do is you just hold your smartphone up to one of these, an image or a QR code. Then you see this interactive augmented reality experience with videos, 3D elements, text. You can actually shop through it. It can help you generate leads. And like you said, previously creating these like AR assets, it wasn't possible because it required users to download like a third-party app to even experience the augmented reality, which sort of defeats the purpose. Like, why do you have to go to the App Store and download this? Or you had to buy like metaverse gear or something like that. But in like a very radical shift here, now anyone can anywhere in the world instantly see these augmented reality experiences right away. And this is going to, again, really drastically increase your marketing results, regardless of what niche or industry you're in.
Yeah, I was playing around with this before our interview, and I thought it was really cool. And what I thought was really important about this is with marketing, the whole idea is that we're trying to get our messages to stand out. We always talk about things like banner blindness, where people don't see advertisements anymore. They don't. There's so many coming at us over and over again that we just kind of end up ignoring it all. And it's becoming a big problem, like you said, standing out in marketing. Now, people like having things to play with. People like having things to talk about. And if you can get people interacting and doing something a little bit different with your marketing, kind of playing around with it, their brains are going to remember your brand much more. They're going to be more apt to, if you've got something kind of neat that you're doing with your product, and they're going to be much more likely to kind of show it to their friends, share it around. It's a much more viral aspect of this as well. I'm going to go ahead and, because I mean, we can talk about this all day long. I think it's much better for people to kind of see what this looks like. I know you've prepared a demo for us, so I'm going to go ahead and play that for our folks here, and then we'll come back and talk about this a little bit more.
In this video, we'll see how ARMagic can separate your marketing from the masses by allowing you or your clients to transform boring marketing materials into magical 3D interactive augmented reality ones that look like something out of Harry Potter. Transform boring sites, lead pages, cards, flyers, and more into magical augmented reality ones that are proven to explode leads, build social media presences, and skyrocket sales for businesses online or offline. Plus, let clients demo online shopping products in their home to massively increase sales. Previously, creating such marketing assets wasn't possible because it required users to download a third-party app or buy expensive gear, but now you can do next-generation 3D video marketing just like billion-dollar corporations and even run an AI augmented reality agency business from scratch with little competition. Best of all, this augmented reality platform is super easy to use. To get started, log into the cloud-based app and create a new project by clicking the button here. You can pick from tons of already done for you augmented reality scenes in many popular niches. Tap to preview what the AR scene will look like and drag your mouse around to see the 3D effect it will have. You can also build your own AR experience entirely from scratch using a huge library of 3D assets or importing your own images, videos, 3D models, and more to use. Let's go ahead and pick this AR experience to use. Hit next and give the project a name. Then choose to make a magic QR code that when scanned will load the augmented reality experience or an image that can load the experience as well. I'll select QR code and we'll be given some settings to customize the design of just the QR code itself so it fits with our product packaging or flyer design. Then you can quickly add some SEO and metadata to our AR project so if it gets shared on social media or goes viral, users will know what they're about to experience. Hit save and the no-code drag and drop augmented reality video experience editor will load, allowing us to customize this project. This is a groundbreaking editor that allows anyone to customize AR experiences without any technical expertise needed. All previous AR editors were complicated and required some coding knowledge to operate. First, click your mouse back and forth to zoom in and out. Hold the mouse to rotate the editor to perfectly customize everything in stunning 3D. We can move and edit any individual 3D asset by clicking on it. Then click the Move button to move it anywhere we want. Click the Rotate button to rotate the AR asset in 3D easily like this. Or click Scale button to make the AR asset bigger or smaller. We can make an AR asset interactive to get our users to do something like visit a social media site, place a call with a business, or opt in to help build our list, for example. Just click on the 3D asset, click Add Action, and choose which action we want to assign to our 3D AR asset. For example, we can pick Open a Web Page and then insert our Instagram URL we want people to follow. Then when someone clicks on the Instagram link, when viewing our 3D experience, they'll be redirected to our Instagram profile to build up our social media following. Next, we can add our own custom text, videos, images, and other 3D assets to our augmented reality experience. We can add text by clicking the plus button and typing something in like a secret coupon they get if they interact with the AR experience in our brand. Just click and drag it into place wherever we need, or delete it if we no longer need it. We can add our own images and videos to the scene as well. It works the same way. Just select a video we want to use and insert it. Drag and rotate it anywhere we want into place. Imagine something like a great explainer video or a product sales video emphasizing what makes this business special, showing as they interact with the augmented reality experience. Potential customers will be able to watch, hear, and interact with this on their phone while viewing it. If we don't want these assets anymore, by the way, you can simply delete them fast and easy. Plus, ARMagic comes preloaded with tons of 3D assets we can insert to build our own unique scenes with. Go to Models and upload our own 3D ones, or search a huge library to customize from. Enter a keyword like this, choose from the options, and then press the Preview button to see what it will look like. Okay, awesome. Let's add this to our AR experience just like this. Then highlight it and drag it into place if we want. All right, so we have our AR experience how we want. It's time to publish it. Hit publish and we can scan the QR code on our phone to make sure it's how we want it to be. Then go to our projects, share, and download our QR code to be put anywhere, like on websites, lead pages, flyers, business cards, and more. You can download it as an image and import it into Canva or your favorite graphics design app to put on boxes, cards, ads, and more. Note that you can always click here to go back to the 3D editor and edit the project more at any time, or even clone the project to create a copy for another business you're working with. Also, by going to Share and clicking Add QR Code to a design, we can add the QR code to already done for you ads, business cards, flyers, and more templates to use or sell to a business. Create one from scratch using the blank canvas editor, or pick from a treasure trove of ads, cards, flyers, and more templates to customize and insert the magical QR code or image into already built inside the app. Just click the template you wish to edit. It will insert our QR code that will lead back to our augmented reality experience and place it where you want in the flyer. Quickly customize it by editing the text or adding your own. Editing the order of the layers however you want. Choose from tons of shapes, elements, emojis, and icons to add to our graphic creation. Even add your own images and resize the creation if needed. Then export to use or sell to the business owner to help explode their attention, leads, and sales. And remember, that's just one quick example of a certain type of augmented reality experience that we can build. You can also do things like create augmented reality e-commerce experiences to skyrocket conversions. The 3D asset library allows you to import your own 3D assets and pictures into the editor. With this ability, you can import clients' products advertised in their e-commerce store and create augmented reality experiences that let clients demo the products in their home while shopping online. Help businesses transition from boring 2D selling to the future, 3D selling, which is already essential for certain brands that have large products and decorative items. Check analytics with a click of a mouse to see which AR experiences are getting tons of clicks and interactions and which ones need to be re-edited. Whether it's helping improve e-commerce conversions, transforming a local business's dead marketing into something engaging and exciting, helping an influencer go viral with cool interactive augmented reality marketing and more, ARMagic can do it for you fast and easy. Apple, Meta, and other companies are rapidly investing billions into VR and AR, and now you can join them to get more attention with no additional work, or help small businesses and easily run an AI AR agency, helping transform clients' old school marketing into new age 3D interactive ones.
Okay, so we are back. So yeah, this is really cool. I know a lot of you watching right now are really excited about this. Just all the different things that we can do with this. We can do sales campaigns. I see you've got like AR lead generation campaigns, interactive e-commerce campaigns, just like augmented any type of product packaging, educational experiences. I can just see even all these examples that you have. I can see people really going out of the box with this and thinking of their own ways of doing this as well. As far as monetizing this goes, talk to me a little bit about how people can potentially make some money with this.
Yeah, so I mean, there's a lot of ways. For example, most business cards for like local businesses, they get thrown away like in the car seat or something like that. Mm-hmm. So you can turn these into like these interactive AR business cards where they put their phone up to them, they see like their social media, they can subscribe to their email list, they can even buy their products right through that. You can do that with flyers, and then you can do that with like online marketing materials. For example, you can put one of these images or QR codes in a video that they're watching on YouTube. And at the top, it may say like, hey, scan for a really cool augmented reality experience and to get a few free like lesson guide or something if they're watching like someone play a piano. And then, of course, they're interested because, well, this is a cool like 3D augmented reality experience. They put their phone up to it, and then this, again, gets their attention, captures their email, and you can begin marketing to them when 99% of people would just scroll to the next video or something like that. So you can do this with like images, like most people would just scroll by like an image, but you can make it into like a cool AR image where they interact with it, like they see like a dinosaur popping through the screen or like a black hole coming through you to the screen. And then that, of course, there'll be some sort of call to action where it says like, hey, now follow us on Instagram, follow us on x.com or whatever. I mean, there's just tons of ways that you can make money with this, whether you're like an agency selling this to businesses who like are sort of stuck with their marketing, or you're sort of stuck with your marketing and you need like a little like sizzle to it.
Just something different. If you were offering people services like websites or Google My Business or whatever it's called now, I always forget, Google Local or whatever. And if you're offering services to people, everyone's always like websites and Facebook marketing and blah, blah, blah. I mean, this is something that could make you stand out, and it could even just get the conversation started where you could say, hey, I got something a little bit different that you probably haven't seen before. You've got a couple of different ways of purchasing this. You've got the traditional sales funnel where you've got like a front end offer, like an offer on a sales page, and people can go through a sales funnel and they can upgrade, or you've got a special bundle discount that you're going to be doing. And I know you have a special webinar. So talk to us a little bit about that webinar that you're doing and what that bundle discount is going to entail.
Yeah, so there's a special webinar training where we're going to walk through like this brand new technology and how to leverage it and use it with a lot of training. That's at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. If for some reason you can't make that, there is a follow-up one the next day at 10 a.m., although you want to try to be on the earlier one because we do have some special bonuses and free copies and the price is the lowest then. But yeah, on that early webinar, we will go over the upgrades, of course, but there is a very special, really shockingly low deal that you're going to be able to see where it combines all the different upgrades and the regular price into a one bundle deal price that you can get for, I think whenever people see it, they're going to be really surprised that we're selling it for this low. So yeah, you want to make sure to sign up for that early webinar for the training to learn how to, sort of get your stock marketing going and to learn about that as well.
Now, if you were to buy through the sales funnel, I know that you've got. I'm not going to make you walk through all the different upgrades here. I'll do that when I do my review video. But you've got like some agency licenses upgrades here with like unlimited experiences. So it looks like there's a little bit of a limit on the front end offer. But if you want to have like no limits, you can get that bundle. You've got some international ones with like different languages and removing the powered by ARMagic link at the bottom. So if you want to get rid of that branding, I'm looking here. You've got other ones with some, what is Voicelet? You've got a Voicelet app. What's that one?
Yeah, so there's some like unlimited features, white label technology, agency license, a lot of upgrades you can do to the software. And then we have some additional softwares that are made from the same ARMagic team, including that Voicelet, where it creates these very cool, we call speed to lead video sales funnels, a new type of funnel that's converting a lot faster with like live call agents. And there's some really advanced human-like voiceover technology you can get. And then a self-learning AI chatbot that also can switch to an agent. So that, yeah, there's a lot of additional softwares. Plus, there's some important upgrades to the ARMagic software as well.
Do you know off the top of your head, and you might not know this number, but I mean, it looks like they're saving a ton of money if they get that bundle discount. Do you have any idea how much they're saving there? Is it like $500, $1,000? Like, what do you know that number? I should have asked you that before we started the call.
Yeah, you're saving over $500, but more importantly, the upgrades, they are recurring. You do have to pay per year to keep them up, but if you do get on that early call, you're able to somehow make it. We were going to save this for the end for a special announcement. We're going to be slashing the reoccurring. And you can get it all for just like a one-time fee on that early call. So
no reoccurring fees. You just pay one time and you're done. But if you go through that sales funnel, then and you upgrade to any of these ones, some of them are going to be recurring for you.
Right. Yeah. So you'd be saving thousands of dollars really, because some of them are like $197 per year to renew. But yeah, if you're able to get on the call and check out that bundle deal, then that will get rid of all that.
And thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else you wanted to mention? Anything you want to say before we wrap it up?
I think that's it. Just, make sure to come on the training. And it's not just like a pitch fest or anything like that. This is like a very important new technology to stand out. And we're going to be going over how to leverage it.
Awesome. Again, thank you so much for coming on the show and best of luck with your launch.
All right. See you.